Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku. Yes, the 4-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend, Friday, January the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. Well, turns out it's not a 3 stars, but a 0 stars puzzle. It's totally a wrong indication by the publisher. We have 3 puzzles left. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one is the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 7744. Yeah, 7744. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 3 2s. 3 3s. 1 4. 2 5s. 4 6s. Alright. 3 7s. 3 8s. And 2 9s. So the 6s are in majority. Can I start with the 6? That's the question. Well, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Now only 2 places left. The 6 will be here or there. 2 minutes already passed. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so the row between. Only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 6 here, okay. And I need a 6 there. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. Need more information. Yeah, insufficient information right now. The 7 in this row. The 7 in the last row. So the row between. Only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. And I need 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Need a 3. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in the first row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 3 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. And now 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, yeah. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. I need more information. But let me go back to the 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. The 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 in the second column, no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. All right. Okay, need a 1 here. Let me see which number can I pick. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? One of the missing number in this row is the number 8 in this row. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this row. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 9 goes there. Need a 9 here, okay. Then 2 and yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 to 5, 2 to 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the second column, no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 4, okay? That means we need a 9 then. We need a 1, 4, and need an 8 here. Yeah. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. I need an 8 here. I need an 8 there, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 8 in the last column. In the third column. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need 8 here. 8. Need 8 there. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. 1 is missing. 2 is missing. 3 and 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Let me mark those 1, 2, 4. The other 3 in this big square are the numbers 8. And we have here need a 5 and I need a 9. 5, 9, 5, 9. Okay, 5, 9. We have a 5 in this. Yeah, 5 in this column. Third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left with 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8. So the 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. 1, 2, 4 we have here. So this box should be the 9. Okay, can I continue with 8? Let me see. No, I need here more information here. Also the 8. How about the 5 then? 5, 5, 5, and 5. No, 5, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in the middle row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Oh, cannot continue with the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. Here we have a 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, okay. I need to wait. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 4, okay, 1, 2. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1, 2, no, we have a 1 here. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. And look, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left. 4 and the 7, we have a 7 in this row. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 4. We have a 1 and a 2 in the middle row, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and a 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. We have a pair. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. These two missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7 and the 9. Here we have pair, there pair, so the third pair in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing, 1 and the 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now we can count, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. All right. Here we have 1 and a 4. About 1, 4, and need a 9 here. Yeah. About these two missing numbers, 9 and need a 4 here. 9 and 4. Okay, cannot fill this yet. Let me see. Need a 1 here. Yeah. I need a 5. 5. Need a 5 there. Yeah. How about these two missing numbers in this column? For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and 5 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. All right, the 9. So here we need a 9. Okay, these 3 missing numbers in this big square numbers. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. Okay, 2, 7, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 4, 5. Come on. This is taking too long. The 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 here. Yeah. 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. I'm stuck here. 1, 4, 9. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 1, overlooked, should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now. So this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Overlooked. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, 9. Come on. Need a 1 there. Yeah, 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for 8 should be there. Need a 9 here. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and the 4, 7 and the 4. Well, here are 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 9 in this column. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 and 7, we have a 4 now in this first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 7 in the first row. 7 in the second row. So the third row. The only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. Sorry. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 9 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. 50 minutes, not another 50 minutes. So let me give this a 1 star. It's not really a 4 stars, not 2 stars, not the 1 star, 2 stars, but 1 star. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so otherwise it will be a 0 stars. But I'm pleased with the time, yeah. And I thought maybe this one was a tough one, but well, it's solvable. It's solvable. Yeah. So maybe next time, publisher give us a tough one for us, where you need to think more. Anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.